Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come. How to make multigrain flour, probiotic, diabetic and weight loss friendly Siddu, Sidku or Siddu, the steamed bun of Tibetians, Gaddis and Himachalis. But before the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah, wash away our assumptions, presumptions and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. White lentil, split or urad, traditional walnuts, dry fruit and jaggery. Now soak for 6 to 8 hours in water from any natural source. And yeast, traditionally naturally fermented dough. Now to proof or activate, add sugar, warm milk, mix well, set aside in a warm place to mature. Traditionally, wheat flour is kneaded with curd or buttermilk, and that is how it used to be fermented. Now, multigrain flour, hence making it diabetic and weight loss friendly. Traditionally, wheat flour is used. Black or any natural salt, rock salt, Himalayan salt, anything, desi ghee, yeast proved or activated is well matured by now. Add water from any natural source, warm, and knead the dough. This is what it will come out like. And cover the dough with a damp kitchen cloth or napkin and set aside for 1 to 4 hours or even longer. Strain the white split lentil and add to the blender. Traditionally, white split lentil is added to a pestle and mortar and not to a blender. Traditional potatoes, legumes and vegetables are also used. Now, when done, grind into a slightly coarse paste. Look at that. That is how it must be. And now add to a bowl. When done, garden fresh green chilies as per as your taste. Fresh ginger again as per as your taste. Garden fresh mint and cilantro or parsley or both again as per as your taste. And onion, medium, 1 or more turmeric, curry or garam masala, red chili powder, coriander powder, black or any natural salt, asafoetida, and mix well. Mix really well. And this is what it is going to be like. Now, taste to check and make corrections if required. Well done. The beautifully fermented dough now. Remove the cloth and this is what the dough looks like. Now grease the palm well with oil, butter or desi ghee and divide the dough into 7 equal balls. Take one ball and flatten it. You can flatten it any way, but this is how we were taught to flatten the dough. Now place a tablespoon of stuffing in the center. Pull the dough and seal the edges firmly into a half moon or round ball shape. The shape varies in both the upper regions of Himachal Pradesh. Done. Cover with a damp kitchen napkin, towel cloth and allow them to rest till to be steamed. Set the steamer to preheat. I am using a idli steamer, but you can use any steamer. Now, when the steamer is ready, grease the steamer trays well or thali or whatever you are using. Grease it well. When greased, place the stuffed buns to be steamed. There. Now set the trays firmly in place and cap or shut the lid. And let them steam. Reduce the heat to sim or low and allow it to be steamed. After 25 minutes, remove the lid of the steamer and Siddu or Siddu appears to be well made, but wait, insert a toothpick and check if it comes out clean. Well, it is. Switch off the heat or the flames. Remove the trays from the steamer. Said to have its origin from Tibet to Gaddis, it also shows the deep link between Himachal and Tibet. Place the Siddu or Sidku or Siddu on a plate or platter or whatever you are serving upon. Now serve or drizzle with desi ghee and serve with mint or any sauce or a dip or chutney of your choice. Cut into small bite-sized pieces and enjoy Siddu or Sidku or Siddu with all, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.